Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will dive deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You know any crucial updates that could impact your investments? Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.36. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 23.04%. This results in an average daily loss of 1.10% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and horizontal trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the price breaks below the bottom trend line at $16.47, it would signal a strong sell and indicate a potential shift in the trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend, we foresee a possible change of -0.86% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -7.98% to +46.54%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects an expected change of -11.40%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary from -62.38% to +137.38% over the upcoming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $6.67 and $42.11. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock, after losing 2.58%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock price fell by 2.58% on the last day, Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, dropping from $18.21 to $17.74. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.81%, ranging from a low of $17.72 to a high of $18.75. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, amounting to a decline of 15.16% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased on the last day, along with the stock price, which is generally considered a positive indicator, as volume should align with the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 876,000 shares, with a total of 8 million shares exchanged for approximately $140.73 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price stands at 67.56% or $36.94, below the 52-week high, and 77.65% or $61.64, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media's stock, symbol DJT, has recently experienced significant fluctuations, following a sharp decline where it returned to approximately $17.50. The company announced a substantial $400 million stock buyback program. This buyback could potentially reduce the share count by 10%, a move typically viewed as bullish since it can enhance earnings per share and signal management's confidence in the company's future. However, despite positive developments surrounding buybacks, DJT shares have struggled, down over 45% since the beginning of 2025. Furthermore, DJT is exploring launching a cryptocurrency-based exchange-traded fund aiming to capitalize on the growing interest in digital assets. While this initiative could attract growth investors, the impact has yet to be reflected in stock performance, suggesting market skepticism potentially rooted in broader economic concerns or the company's own operational challenges. In the short term, the combination of the buyback announcement and the potential crypto exchange-traded fund could provide some support for the stock, yet the prevailing downtrend highlights fragility. Long-term investors will need to assess how successfully Trump Media can stabilize its operations, leverage new market opportunities, and regain investor confidence to drive a meaningful rebound in DJT's stock price. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book value as a strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also provided a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued which may influence the near-term development. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $18.20 and $22.11. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025. And since then, the stock has declined by 32.75%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 44 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 23 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 94 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 89 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $17.32. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.03 between its high and low, equating to a change of 5.81%. Throughout the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 4.83%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios might suggest a lack of profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $17.32. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On June 10, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider purchase of 8,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On May 14, 2025, Eric Swider again conducted an insider purchase, this time of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On May 14, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider purchase of 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On May 14, 2025, Philip Juhan also conducted an insider purchase of 416 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On May 14, 2025, Philip Juhan made another insider purchase of 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive with a ratio of approximately 97.868. Overall, insiders purchased 36 million shares and sold 0 shares in the last 69 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation exhibits several negative signals and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly over the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of June, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by 331 thousandths of a dollar, initiating trading at $18.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.